In the land of Happyville, Lola the Lightning Dart zipped through the skies. One sunny afternoon, her friends got stuck at the top of Giggle Peak. With her incredible speed, Lola transformed into a dazzling bolt of energy, flying up to help them. She rallied her friends to work together, forming a chain to climb back down safely. As they cheered, Lola reminded them, "When we work together, there's nothing we can't do." Together, they saved the day, racing home with smiles and laughter, knowing that friendship makes every adventure brighter.